So earlier today I had a little delivery, so it's now time to open this up and check out my new SW-Motech Evo micro bag. Well, I assume that's what's in here. Let's just see. It arrived earlier today. Live unboxing. Loads of paper, tank ring, bag. Let's open up this nice bag. Be useful for other storage of something or other. Ooh, nice. Hope you can see that okay. Not too big. So it's about 10 inches by 8 inches, 4 inches. It's the smallest one they do with the tank ring, I believe. Well, that's why I got it anyway, so let's have a look. So it looks as though it's got a little retaining clip on the back of there. Oh, it does actually expand even further. Okay. Not hugely, but it does expand a little bit. And then 2 top zips. We've got more bits and pieces in here. Presumably this is the rain cover in here. Wow, you even get the drill. They supply you with a drill, for goodness sake. And the other keys that you need. What else? Perhaps we have got instructions here. Of course you have. There we go. Mounting instructions. But anyway, so inside it's got, yeah, it's not huge, but I mean that's why I got it. I didn't want something massivo. Let's get all these bits out. I usually got the aluminium box on the back of the bike, but to stop, get off, get the keys out, open that up, blah blah blah. And sometimes you just need something where you can grab something quickly, and hence what this is all about, really. So let's just tighten that up. Good quality bag, nice carrying handle as well, so you can grab it quickly off the bike and take it with you into the cafe or restaurant or whatever you're doing. I believe this is water resistant, it's not waterproof, hence you get this cover as well. I'll get that all out later on and show you on the bike. And then we've got this ring here. Put that to one side. So in here should be the relevant talk about well packaged away, good heavens. Can I fit it to the bike now? There we go. You know how this works, I'm sure. We'll go down to the garage because I'm going to have to do some drilling to get this marked up properly. So catch you there in a minute. So that's where the ring goes on top of the tank. So I need to remove the rear 4. And another long one. Okay. So, long one there. No, need long ones, I think. Back to the pack. Right, so I think it's those. Back there again. Two of those. And two of the shorter ones. These are in the pack, so you'll have. Before we tighten these down, let's just check that this will open okay. Yeah, that's all okay, fine. So, smell of petrol now. So we won't do these more than a little more than finger tight, I think is what you would say. Let's bite those down. And again, not overly tightening these, I think. Okay, so taking these two pieces, we're going to put back clips onto there. And now you get the bag and put it in. I've put my GPS on there to give me an idea of where I want this. So it gives you the opportunity, before you start drilling anything, to put it into the ideal position. So clearly that's going to be too far forward and it's going to mess up with the bars, whereas a bit further back here I've got plenty of room. So now we carefully lift off. Okay, so we lift that off. We will then go across to the bench. So now let's get a pencil or something to mark it with. Okay, take that off there. Yep, so that's in place there. Now on the inside, I've already opened this up. There's a little sort of Velcro strap in here. I think you can see that. Okay, there's some Velcro and there's two flaps in here. So you just need to move those back into the corners before we start drilling. And it'd be handy if you've got a block of wood that I've pre-prepared, like that sort of size, that's going to support behind here as we're drilling. So we'll put the master back in place like that. And it's these 4 drill holes here I want to make. So I've already put the 8.5mm drill bit that they supply into my drill. So clear all that off. Okay, so we've got the part that goes onto, that clips onto the tank here. So we're going to just put this in place here, line up those lugs with the holes, and that should stay in place. Bit of light on the subject now. Use these screws with the Allen key to tighten them up from the inside of the case. Okay, let's tighten these up now. Fast forward this bit. Right, can you see that? all four in place. So we just tie this up by putting these flaps, internal flaps, back over there, just to tidy that up. Make it all pretty, like that. Keep that in case I need to tighten up things. So that's now in place on the back there. What we also need to do is just unclip this little piece on the back that they provide for you, because once it's in place, trying to get your fingers onto this from below is going to be a bit difficult. So we'll just pass that through there, create a bit of a loop, so it provides a longer pull thread, and to tidy it up, that just goes on the end there on that little press stud. So now you've got something to pull on that release cable. So that's that bit. Let's go over to the bike and just check out what's got to be done next. Close. Okay, so that should clip in place like that. Plenty of free space, access to your bits and pieces. It's even got a little power outlet hole here on the back of it. Be better up that end, wouldn't it really, because then it's got access to my DIN plug down here. But anyway, there we go. Useful for your ferry tickets, tunnel tickets, toll tickets, etc. The SW-Motech Micro Tank Bag, fitted